This is Miro's and Ella's breakfast time. We were supposed to go to the store and buy like our normal breakfast things and then drive somewhere to do the breakfast, but as you can see, it's raining. So we just went crazy in Lidl instead. One croissant. We have been dreaming about this weather for the past weeks, but now that it's here, it's actually pretty cold.
But it's nice. Let's go to the beach.
The plan.
Me gustas tú, me gusta nada, me gustas.
Frozen yogurt.
Good morning. It looks so different when my sides are like done by the barber. Today is gonna be a very long day in terms of driving. I think we have to drive around 7 or 8 hours today because we're a bit behind the schedule. So today is the day when we catch up to the schedule. So yeah, we're right now in like maybe 1 hour away from Vienna in Austria, and we'll drive all the way through Slovakia and all the way to the south side of Poland to a national park named this. That's basically the plan of today, but now I'm gonna be making our basic breakfast the same we have actually been eating the whole trip. So good morning and good day.
Joo, miten menee?
We found a real life statue of Miro. Oikeesti näytät vähän tuolta.
Enkä näytä.
Näytä.
Mitä näytät senkin Megamind?
The waitress at the coffee shop that we just went to asked where are we from, and then we said that we are from Finland, and then he had been to Finland, and then he suggested that we should go to northern Slovakia, and to this place called Orava National Park, and then he was like, I think it means like squirrel in Finnish, yeah, or something like that, and we were like, wow, how do you know? So that was funny. There are huge holes on the ground. Oh my god. what's gonna kill us.